Hello, welcome back to Deys. Today we are showing our instant ghee rice recipe. In a pan kept over low flame, add 2 tablespoons ghee. Add in about 3 tablespoons cashew nuts. Now saute this until the cashew nuts are about to turn brown. Now add 5 tablespoons raisins to this and fry till the raisins are plump. Now remove all of them from the ghee. Into the same pan add 1 cinnamon stick, 3 cardamom and 3 cloves. Now saute this for a while. Add 1 large onion sliced and saute until the onion turns soft. Add 2 green chilies and half tablespoon salt also to this and give it a mix. Now it's time to add 2 cups of rice to it and the fried cashews and raisins. Now combine everything. Instant ghee rice is ready to serve. If you are watching your channel for the first time, we invite you to subscribe for more such easy recipes. Thank you.